हमारा ही नहीं, अमेरिका में देखिए अभी हिलरी को हराने लगा ना, आप क्योंकि वो लेडीज़ है ना, हरा दे रहा है उसको। अमेरिका में भी कभी भी लेडीज़ को प्रेसिडेंट होने नहीं देता, वो उधर भी है। मेन का जो सुपीरियर है उस समाज में रहता है, रसोई ये सुपीरियर के कारण से हमारा लेडीज़ लोग, हमारे भाई लोग, दीदी लोग इतना जितने मेन बोल सकते हैं बोल नहीं सकता। एक बार मैंने फेसबुक में, ये भी आ जाएगा आप लोगों के पास में, सबार्डिनेट स्टडीज़ के बारे में मेरा मत फर्क है। सबको तो मालूम है सबार्डिनेट स्टडीज़ में, सबार्डिनेट स्टडीज़ में अभी दो धार के लड़ाई चल रहा है हिस्सों में। गायत्री शिवाक आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा, उसके एक धार चल रहा है, माइकल फोगर का एक धार चल रहा है। तो उन लोगों ने क्या बताया कि जो सबार्डिनेट हैं, जो हरिजन का नीच जाति का लोग है, जो निमुख जाति है, गायत्री इस बाबा को वो लोग बोल रहा है कि उन लोगों को खुद बोल नहीं सकता, उन लोगों को मदद के लिए दूसरे आदमी ने बोल देना चाहिए। और माइकल फोर्ड बोलता है कि उसका समस्या खुद बोलना चाहिए, क्योंकि दूसरा आदमी जब बोलेगा उसको फीलिंग नहीं होता मेरा क्या प्रॉब्लम है, आप बोल रहे हैं मेरा प्रॉब्लम तो बोल रहे हैं, तो मेरा ओरिजिनल सब प्रॉब्लम आप बोल नहीं सकते। तो वो धार दो चल रहा है, तो मैंने 20 धार से बता दिया कि ये जो बोल नहीं सक रहा है, जो आदमी समाज में सप्रेस हो रहा है, तो वो तो डर की वजह से सप्रेस हो रहा है, वर्षों से उसको डोमिनेट किया, तो कैसे बोलेगा उसको तो जो बोलने के लिए पावर देने के लिए उसको इन्वायरमेंट क्रिएट करना चाहिए कि बोलो, आपने बात खुद से बोलो, उसके लिए उसको एजुकेशन देना चाहिए, उसको इन्वायरमेंट क्रिएट करना चाहिए। तो दूसरा आदमी ने बोल दिया और खुद को बोलो 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 बोलता है। भारत में ये कानून बना दिया ना, ये क्या है अशुद्ध वाले क्या दहेज का वाला कानून काम ही नहीं कर रहा, क्योंकि ये सिस्टम है ना, इसके लिए तो बहुत से इसका मैसेज पास होना चाहिए, मैसेज पास ही नहीं कर रहा। हमारा नेपाल में एक आ गया थे, क्या आ गया कि लेडीज़ के अंश वो लेडीज़ का भी जो बाप का जो संपत्ति है, हाँ, उसका देना चाहिए बोला, उधर आ गया कानून आने लगा था। लेडीज़ लोग ने बोला कि हमें नहीं चाहिए, वो नहीं चाहिए तो क्या करें। ये इसको बोलता है हेजेमनी, जो कंसेप्ट है ना, ये ग्राम्स्की का थ्योरी एक आता है हेजेमनी में, कि वो लोग खुद को ऐसे करता है मैं तो नीच जात के होने के लिए योग्य हूँ, तो दूसरा क्या कर सकता है, उसको बहुत कुछ करता है, मैं भी आदमी हूँ इस संसार में, मेरा भी अधिकार है इस संसार के लिए। मैंने देखा, मेरे संसार में जुड़ने के वक्त देखा कि हमारा नेपाली लोगों को पोजीशन, मार्जिनल पोजीशन में, चाहे जो सुखे जो बोले, जब हम अमेरिका जाते हैं, लंदन जाता है ना, ये साउथ एशियन का और हमारा सबका पोजीशन मार्जिनल बन जाता है। राइटिंग में मार्जिन बन जाता है, लेक्चर प्रोफेसर में मार्जिन बन जाता है ऑटोमेटिकली, क्योंकि वो लोग केंद्र में है ना, वो लोग केंद्र हमें मार्जिन बना देता है। देखा मैंने ये इसको मार्जिनल के लिए हम तो आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। जैक डेरिडा को तो मार्जिनल था नहीं, वो उसने बताया कि मैं मार्जिनल को क्यों मुझे हेपड़ा है, मैं भी दिखा देता हूँ संसार को। जब ने उसने संसार को दिखा दिया, मार्जिनल के एंगल से दिखा दिया, उसने संसार को उलट पलट रख दिया। तो मार्जिनल लोगों ने, जो सप्रेस वाला लोगों है, उसको खुद बोलना चाहिए, खुद करना चाहिए। मैं क्यों कर रहा है, मैं तो उतना आदमी बड़ा आदमी भी नहीं हूँ, मैं क्यों कर रहा है कि पुश करना चाहिए, हम लोगों को भी पुश करना चाहिए ना। इसीलिए जो हमारा अंदर का जो दौर है, जो भी हो, तो खुद को निकलना चाहिए, खुद को फेस करना चाहिए, खुद को प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए।
You said that you told that the practice can ward off this positive or the negative fear. Both.
Yes, but
What about the negative fear?
Negative fear means,
can
yes, you are right. If somebody is going to negative side, they are going to be terrorist side. They are also because of fear.
They are also keep on practicing.
Yeah, they are also doing practice because I said negative. Because you just do some education, you just have the master degree or PhD or research degree. You are doing how to do the terrorist attack. Then they said they are right. According to their vision is they are right. We are right. Then in totality, we have to always see the totality. It's mass people is saying that it's negative side. So like individually, somebody is going to kill some people because of fear. Maybe there are so many reasons. But somebody is going to kill the people, is using negative word. So negative is harmful to that person himself, and it is also harmful to the society.
Is there any sign of proportionately the equal ratio of positive and negative fear? Or like we can balance the positive or the negative fear. Who means what kind of fear more overcome another?
That is depends on our shape. When we are going to going from child to the adult, what kind of education, lesson, what kind of knowledge, what kind of culture we are coming from, it depends on. So, what is life? It's also different people have different explanations. How to live life is also the different people have different explanations. So, definitely and 100% we cannot say this side is going to right, this is a limit. Maybe tomorrow I just make some argument. Tomorrow must need to be, medical science need to be developed to measure the fear, like our temperature, like our blood pressure. Because this level is going up, it has a fear problem. If it's going to lower the fear problem, and it will increase or decrease, same like our blood pressure problem, can be like a diabetes problem, going level of diabetes up, down, it's controlled. Fear can be possible or not. It is very possible because if somebody has a more fear, they just try to be sometimes going to be attack somebody, somebody will kill, somebody fighting. In the home also sometimes happening, in the domestic problem is always coming to because of that. Suspicious is the main part in the domestic problem. I think your question is about the God, is it? Yeah. From the beginning time, I say that ancient civilization, how they create the God. What concept is coming from how many years back, and what is the purpose of God today and the last hour in history. Always, when people have a fear or they have some sadness, some problem, they just want to go to just pray to the God, and they can give some kind of sympathy themselves. God is doing nothing, but they feel God can do something. That's their beliefs. Belief, there is no limits. Anywhere can be believed. So there is no anything. But so far as people is not remember the God until they have the problem, until they have the fear. Normal condition mostly people is not remembering the God. But abnormal condition. One time I said, right in the book, Marxist. When the Marxist, who is completely Marxist, communist, I think when they have the big problem, they don't say like, oh, Marx, yeah, they don't say. They never use or pronounce Marx or communist, they never say. How God, they also say God. Because God is, they say, ultimate solution. There is no beyond. If they are believing in the God, but when they are believing absolutely in the God, then they can do nothing again. Because God, when we are going to the God side, in the dark age in the West, everybody read the dark age, dark age. Dark age time is totally they believe in the God. Before 300 BC, 300 BC to 1400 AD, that is the 1700 years. They waste the time, Western people, all they waste the time for believing only in God. God has a power, God made the king, God made the president, everything they make. And even the political party has no power, less power than that. So that's why they not do any development. After that, when the Renaissance time coming, then slowly they just coming down. Philosopher coming, scientists coming, so many things coming after that. And yesterday also in my family also discussed about it. Eastern, especially in India, still today, more people are believing in the God. They are not believing in the science, not believing in the philosophy. All philosophy just try to develop, they are taking to the God side, religious side. Automatically they are taking to that. Because it's very difficult time to be just separate the religion and the philosophy. Need to be time. But still in our side is 6 philosophy, long time before, after that no philosophy. Coming so many religious people, spiritual coming so many. But spiritual is academically not accepted. So far academically, spirituals are only belief in spiritual, some beliefs, and they are academically. I never see they are taken in the reference book of the Western people. I saw in my book that Michael Fisher has taken the reference of Krishnamurti. And Mahatma Gandhi also has taken, Gautam Buddha has taken. But so many spiritual, like Rajneesh, like Sai Baba, they are not taking the reference book. It is not, because they don't believe this kind of thing so far.
Right, no, I think we should stop it because you can have one-to-one. It's almost 1 hour. But let me thank Mr. Des Subba for giving us a very interesting elucidations about various aspects of fear. And I have encountered fear in my life very much. And once I encountered fear with a reality. And the second time I encountered fear with imagination. And third, I encountered fear with something invisible. I'll just give you quickly 3 examples. And you see the reality. When I was a student, I used to go to External Services Division of All India Radio every week and translate English news into Nepali. And that Nepali news used to be read by very well-known Nepali news readers. That time, 2 Nepali news readers in Delhi were Narsan Thakur and P.K. Sinha. These 2 were the top news readers. As a child also we used to listen to these news readers. So they invited me when I was doing an filial that please come and translate the news so that we can read. So I started translating. I used to get good money and I used to go in the morning, translate. So they used to read the news. And they used to come little late in the radio, and by that time I used to finish my translation. Once in the morning, both of them didn't come, and the news bulletin has to go, right? The chief editor of the news bulletin at that time was Devkinandan Pandey, very famous Hindi news reader. There were 3 very famous Hindi news readers: Jasdev Singh, Devkinandan Pandey, and Amanus Prasad Singh, right? So this gentleman, Devkinandan Pandey, comes and says, young boy, today both the Nepali news readers are not coming, so you have to go and read. Right? You have to go and read. I said, sir, what do you mean by that? This is no. I said, I have never done this. No, you have to go. Bulletin, because of the absence of news readers, bulletin cannot be stopped. So you have to go. Now you can imagine my condition. First time. But I knew how news is read because I used to watch them from outside. And the moment there used to be a red blip, you have to speak. Right? And in between, you have to say for 50 seconds, you have to say, you all India radio or news. So he said, and it was just 30 minutes before the news went up. So I started trembling. How do I do this? Right? He opened the door, pushed me inside, and just go and do it. And that 10 minutes where I realized what is fear all about. I had never thought in my life that fear is so dangerous. Right? So that was my encounter with reality of fear. So after that, as he rightly said, I overcame that, saying that no, I could do it. So then I became a regular news reader. Everybody used to, like the way I used to read news in Nepali. So I read for almost 3 years, regularly. But I was a student here, used to go, then they said, you don't need to translate, you just do the news reading. So then I became the boss. I used to go there, see the scripts once, correct, and go ahead. So that was my first encounter with reality as far as fear. My second encounter was more dangerous. I had submitted my PhD thesis in JNU, and I had joined National Dairy Development Board in Anand with Varghese Kurian, a very famous man, father of White Revolution. And my wife and my daughter, elder daughter was with me. My second daughter was not born. And both these people were there. Then I got a call from JNU that your interview is scheduled day after tomorrow. My supervisor, Professor Ian called me and said, so you have to come. So I went from Anand to Baroda railway station. I took a bus and went, and it is about 2.5 hours from Anand to Baroda railway station. So I was preparing on the way, what kind of, because, so at the Baroda railway station, I was about to board the train. It was just 15 minutes time there. It was known as Jammu Tawi Express, right? As I about to board the train, that time cell phones and all, nothing was available. And I didn't have a phone at home also. So I got somebody announced in the railway station that Mahendra Rama from National Intelligence Development Board has to go back to his home as urgently as possible. Right? Now, and they made 3 announcements. And in the 3rd announcement, I decided to go back home. I didn't have phone. Right? Now these 2.5 hours journey for me was a hell. I thought my daughter would have met with an accident, my wife would have met with an accident, somebody seriously ill, so many people will be there outside my home now, how do I tackle that? All kinds of things started happening. Just imagination, right? How do I, 2.5 hours, I would try to sleep, no. This fear of unknowns, what will happen. So 2.5 hours I left. Then I thought all kinds of negative things. When the fear comes in, you will find you will think only negative things. Please remember this. I don't know whether you agree or not. Right? When fear strikes, you only think negative. Railway station went and took an auto quickly and went home, and I didn't find anyone outside my home. First relief was that. I thought so many people will be outside my home. Second thing, as I went into my quarters, nobody was there. Third, as I knocked my doors, my wife came smiling. She said, what happened? He says, your interview has been cancelled. They told me by phone, somebody told my office, so I am to tell you this because you did not go to them. Just imagine, this was the fear. Second, this was an imagination. My third encounter was with my mother and my father. When my mother was in the deathbed, later on my father told me that my mother used to, when she was in the deathbed, my mother used to call my father and said that, please open that door. There is someone always peeping at me, and he says, I want to take you. Right? Every time my father would go, rush to that and see, there is no one. And he would come back and say, no, Basant, my mother's name was Basant Lata. Basant, there is no one, you don't need to fear. Nobody is going to take you. Right? That is fear of invisibles. My mother passed away. Then when the time of my death of my father came, that father narrated to us this story about our mother. When the time of my death of my father came, he was sick. And he did not respond to medicines, right? Then, in the evening, he would call my wife and said that, look, there is a man who comes from that door in your home and tells me that you have to go with me every day. You have to come with me because now you have to come with me. And my wife would get worried about what is he saying. He would open the door and tell my father, there is no one. Who is telling this? It's just your imagination. Just see. This is again a fear of what he said, death. Fear of death is so very vital, so very critical. And when the fear of death strikes, right, you see these invisible hands coming into being. So these are the 3 very important narratives. I keep telling my daughters also about it, that what is fear? Anybody, anything, the real encounters of fear is very big. And there are expressions of fears. Some people cry because they are fierce, right? Because of darte hai, or they start trembling, they start crying, they start weeping. People have different expressions of fears as far as fear is concerned. Like my elder daughter, right? On the day of the exams, from the morning, the moment she get up, she will start vomiting. She will start vomiting without nothing. We have not told her anything, we have given bone, we haven't given her water, she will start vomiting. Right? And by the time she will go to the class for the exams, she will be very weak. Right? Then, so what do we do? Once it happened, twice it happened, then we start, as you rightly say, building confidence. That no, there's nothing. If you fail, what does it matter? How does it matter? At most you will fail, right? Though if you fail, I'm going to do this for you. I'm going to put you in another school. I'm the board of your school. So I'll get you in that class for next 6 months and I'll get you promoted. So I used to do that. 3 years we used to build confidence, right? So, but later once you overcame it. So the expressions of fear are also very, very critical. Very, very critical expressions of fear. So when you have conflicts, when the police party, look at how do we react? The fears. Say for example, the terrorists will have 10 Kalashnikov guns, right? And that creates so much of fears. The state buys 1,000 Kalashnikov guns to trample that 10 Kalashnikov guns. This is how you react to fear. You have seen 10 terrorists going with Kalashnikov 10 guns, and in order to trample that, in order to overcome that fear, the state buys 1,000 Kalashnikov guns, saying that, what is that? That is the thing between that 10 guns and this 1,000 guns, the connection is fear, nothing else. And look at the expressions. So we are different. So thank you very much, Mr. Desh Subba, for taking us to absolutely a new horizon of academic discourse. And I wish we were, as usual, a lot of students and other faculty members also, but for the summer vacation, but to celebrate your presence. Thank you very much.
At last, thank you for listening to my speech. And I would like to give one set of book to Professor Kulama, and I will one set of book to Prashant Kumar Sharma next to me. And I have one more set. I want to give this one more set to JNU Library. And if you want to just contact me, and if you want to know more information, I will have the visiting cards. You can just look anywhere, Google, Yahoo, YouTube, anywhere. There are so many programs already, and you can see.
Thank you very much.
It's already there, sir. This.
This.
Library.
Gita can give it to the library.
And if you need information or cards, please have it.
Done? Okay, thank you very much. Enjoy your summer vacation and do well. And no fear. No,